Great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.